y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. What's up? We're back.
God damn, bitch, that was yelling right in my ear.
Woo chat.
Anywho, we are back. It's March. I know y'all are plugged into your TV for that good old March Madness, but this here is Martini Madness. Okay.
Insert the explosion.
Okay, so.
I might swerve and bend that corner. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, shit.
Sorry, I thought it was halftime, cause. Anyway, but let's go ahead.
I don't know how you're gonna feel after this one. You might be, I don't think you're gonna be doing that. I think you're gonna be asleep after this one. Because this is straight liquor.
What is this called?
This is the Vespar martini. Little back history. This was made famous by the James Bond character, okay? Theoretically, James Bond loves him a Vespar martini, okay? Shaken, not stirred, right? Okay, you get the deal. It's simple though. It is 3 ingredients, but all of it is liquor. There's nothing that's cutting this.
I'm sorry. I see little brother, big brother.
It's liquor, okay?
It's not
So,
Casper. Casper.
Ain't no Casper. It's Vespar. That's right.
Oh well, I'm gonna be a Vesper ghost. Go ahead. Let's go.
You might be after this.
Ooh.
So the 3 ingredients are vodka. So whatever you want to do vodka-wise, okay? Gin.
All right. Hey.
And Lillet Blanc.
Our.
Was that a little dog?
It was Glorilla.
And then we have some lemon slices or a lemon peel for garnish, okay?
Okay.
And we have our shakers with ice. And so we're gonna go ahead and get started, you know what I'm saying? And so let's just go ahead, I guess we'll start with the Lillet Blanc, okay? Lillet, we're gonna start with her.
All right. What we doing with that?
So she only a half ounce.
half ounce.
Half an ounce, baby.
So
Just
what-
half.
What's this about to be a shot? Cause I know we ain't about to do ounces with these two.
Oh,
bad
we doing
boys.
ounces, baby. Get ready to be drunk.
Mason jar. Good. I like that.
All right, so you got that. We're gonna do 1 ounce of our vodka.
Ooh. Okay. I'm a believer. 1 ounce. I like
Just
that.
1 ounce.
Just 1 ounce of vodka.
Of
Okay.
her. 1 ounce.
You know, she's been acting real.
I've been plotting to have her try this for so long. I
First
just
of all,
cannot wait.
I don't
Can't wait.
I like blind Amber better. At least
Oh
she
my
was
God!
At least she was a little bit more, you know.
So you can start with the gin on your side, and you're gonna go ahead and do 3 ounces of that.
I say what? Are they related to Aunt Roberta?
Nah, this is the smooth cousin. 3 ounces.
Oh, it's pouring so slowly.
Well, it just trying to make sure you don't spill. So I appreciate that, Hendrix. All right, friends, now we're ready to shake and bake.
Oh, so we're not stirring like James. Okay.
No, his is shaken, not stirred.
Shaking it. Oh, I got it wrong then. My bad. If this is clear, we're in trouble.
It is.
Till death do us part.
Bloop.
Oh,
Express my little peel over there. Be cute.
Oh, I did it wrong. Cheers.
You ready?
I'll let you go first.
That's okay. Hi, friends. Do you need to get smashed immediately? Do you need to get drunk right now? Friends, I introduce you to the Vespar martini. All you need is one.
Are we on a commercial?
Vespar.
Anyway, so listen, this is strong as hell. So if you one of them people are like, give me whatever is fruity, this ain't for you. Go ahead and bypass this. Do not collect $200. Do not pass go. Don't do any of that, okay? This ain't for you, okay? This is for my girlies or my guys that can handle their liquor, okay?
It's for baby D's.
What? Listen, for me, this is a 9. Why is it a 9? Because number one, I only need one to get lit. And that means I'm not wasting as many ingredients. I just need one, and that's gonna take me a good old nap on the couch, okay? Or whatever, or get hype, okay? So it does what it needs to do. It is straight liquor, friends. This is not to be played with. Do not be like, can I get a second one? Because I'm gonna look at you like, is your liver okay? Are you good? Because even the most versatile drinker is not gonna have but one of these, okay? This is straight liquor. Your turn.
This is not. It's better than a dirty martini, but it's not better than a dirty martini.
It's definitely better than
I mean,
a dirty
it's
martini.
better, but it's
For the
not
simple fact
that
they don't
much
have that
better.
nasty ass olive juice in it.
Have one of these. You're gonna act like Wendy when she had that little Statue of
no.
Liberty. I got beans, greens, potatoes. Yeah, one of those moments. Okay, listen. You name it. It's a lot. It's a lot for me. Brittnee, aka Breezy, do not recommend it. But if you like it, I love it for you, not for myself. I'm gonna give this a solid. I'm gonna give this a 3, bro. I don't. I don't like it. It's not for me. For this, you're going to go to hell with gasoline at this point. Like, unless you want to go fast on your way up to the upper room. I'm just saying.
The upper room.
You're gonna get real fast. And I don't know if it's from the front or the back. It don't matter.
Whoa, whoa.
Nonetheless.
The rooter to the tutor, she said.
The rooter to the tutor. Ooh, Chad. Anyway, I'll give this a 3. I can't do it. It's not bad to the point where I would prefer this over a dirty martini. But yeah, I will stick to other cocktails before I ask for a Vespar, because this must be his cousin to Casper, the Friendly Ghost.
Well, then it can't be Casper the Friendly Ghost, because according to you,
I
this
said
not...
kin to Casper.
Oh,
the Friendly
kin.
Yeah.
Okay, so is this Reggie then?
Yeah, probably
Okay,
Reggie.
this is Reggie.
Probably the uncle. You know, one that be like, okay, nephew, I see you. One of those type. You know what I'm saying? This ain't it. Beware. Natasha, you getting this.
Don't give this to your mama, because I'm not setting your
She
mama
will drink
up.
this for 40 days and 40 nights. Listen, I don't care. She don't let
Just
liquor-
tell her, don't tell your mama you got this recipe for me, though. I don't want to be responsible.
She only drinks when she at home. So the worst thing should happen is she go to sleep right on her bed. Nonetheless, 3 for me. What would you?
A 9. A 9. Okay, sorry.
Okay,
Anywho.
why is you here?
You know, tart. I'm tart. No, I'm not gonna lie. For me, I do enjoy a Vespar martini at the right time.
Is this the right time?
This is the right time.
This is
Shit.
only episode 2.
All I'm saying is the world is going to shit. I might as well have a drink. You know what I'm saying? Hey, turn up. Okay.
All right. On that note, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell, because she's over there on her own type of bell. And we'll be back for... Ladies and gentlemen, I have no words.